Hey everybody, and thanks for tuning in to Bonsai by Alan. I worked on this Ilex Shillings with a number of other trees, put them all into bonsai pots, and cut them all way back from the training plant that they were. And I have some videos where I did the whole process for you, and then I have another video where I just did before and afters. And so they've all grown quite a bit, and this one is no exception. And right away we have this weird leaf. Oh, look at that. That is actually that's funny. That's actually an oak tree. When I showed you the whole collection when I was finished, I told you they were under dappled shade. That was from the oak tree. I thought it was a Shillings. Actually, holly and oaks are cousins. So this guy's no different than the rest as far as what to trim, cut away. Now this guy's growing way back, and sometimes I like to leave that smaller stuff, but I took him off. And then we've got, this is the apex, obviously, but we've got this guy already competing as the apex, so he comes off. And then our second main branch did a weird thing. All the growth is coming straight at me. And I suppose I could wire it, and that's probably what I need to do. Or I could leave this tiny little branch here, which you can't see because of this old leaf. But I'm not so sure. That's a little weak. I am going to take this part that's growing off of the elbow, the inside of the elbow, and then shorten this stuff. And shorten this guy. The back branch has some growth that's shooting way up, so I'm going to cut him back, and then just give the apex a little bit of a haircut. I know this is not the apex anyway. I really, since I'm going to save this guy and wire this guy out, I'm going to cut this guy off too. And this back branch is pretty heavy. If we look here, we've actually got two back branches. I'm going to leave this one as a sacrifice branch, but this smaller one is in a better position. Plus, well, it just is. I'm just going to keep it. So this will be a sacrifice branch. I think I'm going to get a little bit of wire and just wire that guy forward. And that will really, actually, you know, sometimes you can just move a branch like that and watch how long it stays. See? Of course, it will revert. I've actually bent branches just by doing that over and over and over again. Of course, when you've got a lot of trees, that can become very tedious. So I'm going to go get a little bit of wire. So I'll be right back.